Samsung may be gearing up to shake the table with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and not in a subtle way. While the S25 Ultra kept things pretty familiar with its 200-megapixel camera, fresh whispers from the rumor mill suggest something major is brewing for next year's flagship. According to a recent post from Fixed Focus Digital on Weibo, Samsung is reportedly testing a new 200-megapixel sensor, this time from Sony. Yes, Sony, not Samsung. That alone would mark a major shift. Until now, Samsung has consistently used its own in-house ISOCELL sensors in its Ultra lineup. But this new leak hints at a 1-inch Sony sensor, which is massive by phone standards. Why does this matter? A larger sensor pulls in more light. That means brighter, sharper images, especially in low light conditions. It could even rival the elite camera systems in phones like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra or Vivo X100 Pro. Essentially, if this pans out, the S26 Ultra could be a real powerhouse for mobile photography, not just another spec bump. Here's where it gets interesting. Sony hasn't released a 200-megapixel phone sensor yet, so if Samsung does go with this rumored sensor, it would be Sony's first real push into ultra-high-resolution territory. And for Samsung to make that leap, it signals serious confidence in what Sony is bringing to the table. Now let's pump the brakes for a second. Not every leak turns into reality. Other insiders still believe the S26 Ultra will stick to 200-megapixel again, but haven't confirmed whether it'll be an upgraded version or a brand new sensor. Meanwhile, there's more to look forward to. The 3x telephoto lens, which hasn't seen much love since the S21 Ultra, might finally get refreshed. Reports suggest a jump from a 10-megapixel to a 12-megapixel sensor, giving that zoom a needed boost. And don't forget the internal upgrades. With the next-gen Snapdragon chip and Samsung's Pro Visual Engine 2.0 in the mix, expect smoother processing, better dynamic range, and crispier detail in every shot. And those bulky ring-style camera modules. Rumor is they're out. A cleaner design is on the way. So, are we looking at a quiet iteration or Samsung's boldest Ultra yet? If Sony's in, it might be the latter. Let me know what you think. Would you trust Sony to level up Samsung's camera game? Until then, stay tuned.